And on top Naija FM 102.7 for the Nigerian live and direct. My name now Bobby emmcee Rnb.
And my name now Becca, please.
Okay, now we tell now earlier say we go get to yarn and communicate with the one and only Magis for the building. And in that day we building right now. 24 years old. I see the data. I'm not sure. You go tell us the age last. Maybe now age when maybe carry give an I be that 24 years. This man when don't see things more than what Rnb don't see. It's not possible.
And the Rnb we don't almost near 40.
Yeah, now they approach 40. They call himself 20. He go talk through today.
I don't deserve 24.
No,
my brother not like that.
What do I look like?
You look like 28.
28 years. Yeah, you did close.
I think it's the cap.
No, we don't see you.
Brother, if you even remove the cap, I'll call you 35.
That's crazy, man.
Are they sure? Maybe Nigeria make you look older than
it's
you.
just,
right?
It's just a year difference from the one that's online.
Okay, different. So you're actually 25.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, for those who don't know the real name of Magix now Alexander Adelabu, because some people don't already wonder. So wait till this Magix, wait till be real name. All right, Magix already come inside Money Runs some time ago.
The first time when it they introduced by Mavin to the mainstream
media,
you play Come Here now.
Yeah,
I still clearly remember. That was like 2 years or 3 years ago. No, 2 years ago, 2021, when you release your self-titled EP, Magis, right?
Yeah.
Now you introduce yourself, now you stop by. And even before then, in a family of Naija FM, because Osam also interviewed a year before that particular year. So you are a family member, more take like that. Anyway, if you join us on Top Live right now, if you want to see Magis at emmcee Rnb.
You know, call them well at emmcee _. Why not they laugh now? Underscore Rnb. You know they call this thing emmcee _Rnb.
You be petty human being. Anyway, so welcome. How the music journey don't be since being signed to Mavin Record all the way from 2021 being introduced? I know say before they even introduce you don't deal with them like I think a year or two. You get me, they undergo some development. How the journey don't be? Waka now.
So far, I thank God say I did where I did. You know, no be say everything where I want don't come together, but at the same time I did very grateful for where I don't did now. You know, I know the way I did before. You know, so I'm grateful.
Okay,
I did very grateful.
So from Atoms, where we say you released for 2022, Magix the EP for 2021. Waiting. I think you don't release another one again apart from not yet.
A single.
Not single.
A single. Maria.
Okay, so
the colors.
Okay, so how your growth don't be, from the Atom to the Magix 2021 EP, how the growth from those two EP don't be so far?
The growth they obvious. Everywhere we go, they sing the song, so it's like it'll be like say I see the numbers in physical representation. Anytime where I travel, we perform for the show. We they get the feedbacks, and the most amazing thing for artists be that if what they do, people they actually consume them, and if you actually sing and word for word. For me as artist, I know if you say, I see myself differently. What I do they different. So. And waiting count past now the life where my music they impact. Me I did very big on starting small. Even in a 10 crowd, even a 100 crowd, it did very important. So you have a base, of people who genuinely rock with your music, whether they're hit song or not be hit song. So and music don't necessarily guys be hit song. A lot of amazing music. They
misinterpret them. If the music never get everywhere, so it not be music.
No.
And I think that kind of like they put pressure on artists too.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, Mavin is one of the one of the most organized record label for Nigeria with different artists. As a point, so insinuation be they go around say, it be like say they collect the kind of they see the kind of attention when you desire, or like other artists when they sign, and even for a while you just go like underground, like you actually hide I clearly remember. Say I think I would decide con chat you up. Say, what did happen to you? Like,
Why
you say, man, you know the record. Why you know the? I asked you why you remember, right?
Yeah, I remember.
Last year?
You text me.
I text you. Yeah, I was worried because you know come dey active on top social media.
Yeah.
What happened between that time? Waiting be the go on.
So that period now, just me. I don't even realize. Say I don't go off, but sometimes I be one of those people where be say I know they necessarily see the need to post what they do right now on social media. I know be the kind of person where be say
If
as
you
I
do
they
one.
move like this, camera don't dey around me. So I they actually live my life. But it be like say I know they visible because I know they post what they do right now, and the age and time where we dey now, social media dey very fast. If you no post, people will say, "But yeah, something dey wrong."
So no problem that time. Not be saying you say they not give you the desired attention as a record label.
No. Problem no actually dey. Even that period I be the record safe, and even now. We be like say I not to really dey online like that. Now because of my album where they come, and they come very soon, like first quarter of next year. So Naima they work on like this.
Okay, so if you take us through the processes, maybe say you they take you create both your EP and album. You take us through the process.
General.
Yeah.
So for me, first of all, I like to write. You know how I feel. Yeah. You know, if I feel a certain way, I always sing I'm unfiltered, you know. So because I believe say music na emotions, you know. And if another man feel connect to him, that means say they experience something like that remotely like that before, or in just like the vibration of that thing. So music na very spiritual thing where a person of you play with. So you just guys give them the unfiltered version. You know, if you don't day filtered, if you don't day too skillful, me I just like to sing
just
the way it be.
The way it be, just express yourself.
Exactly.
That's to say all your songs are in the right time.
Yeah, I write
at any point
95% of my music, now me the right
so
time.
the remaining 5%, who they help you write down?
Producer, co-writers.
Okay, based on contributions.
Yes.
So just put her like this, put her like this, right?
But you don't ever write music for the other, crew waiting for me, even like your other artists. Then.
Maybe contributions too, not write.
Oh.
You know,
But
not outrightly write the
we
music.
never really define what to be songwriting in its totality for Nigeria.
Songwriting. Okay, so even that
songwriting.
Contribution to na songwriting.
Now just say we don't want to make the other person feel less of himself. So now contribute to not be we write your song. Go.
No, but the thing be saying now, even as that, you know if you claim total songwriter.
Writing.
Yeah.
Royalty,
So if you just say a co-writer. You know, you can if you say I be co-writer on something, but then I get a couple of songs I don't give out, you know, to people, but maybe they never ready to release them.
These people name?
No.
Okay, no, we go find way for you to measure after we do two. Just give us two more. Know who you don't help your career. You get me. So when it reached time to create music, waiting the. I know say don't explain, but waiting they come your mind like this particular jam right now. Waiting inspire this jam actually.
So at the time, it was they will tell me say with the record a particular genre consistently. Say make I just make I look another side.
Okay.
You know? And when I look at I see say wait I feel right we no be the way regular from which they usually
they do,
you know. So now I take come up with this song, and when I do and when I say now give my people they like so
this one they different, but this one tough.
You know. So and now so sometimes it good make you they do exercise. Since when they do as artists, make you try and indulge in them. You know bad. You feel you can feel. And either make you learn.
You try something new.
Yes.
You go learn from the process.
You most likely you will just learn. You know. So and in a leap of faith to do that kind of thing at the time. But now I don't do many songs where I know on a regular day I know they usually do them. You know, and my album will show this side of me.
Okay. For this album you currently work on right now.
So, amazing body of work.
So your new single, Maria, they part of those album. I've been just single. You want your true way give us?
Most likely the album go be new songs. New songs. Yeah.
No old songs. They part of them.
Most likely no old song. Would they say?
Like how many track album it go be?
Like 12 songs.
12 songs.
Yeah.
Okay. I think you don't really due for an album, giving us 2 EP already. Yeah.
You don't finish from Unilag now?
Yeah, I finished 2019.
Okay, so since you finish, you don't, give back to the school as an alumni?
Of course.
You don't perform tire for
for Unilag.
I don't perform, I don't give money.
So now when we say, the fame don't really choke, it choke. So are you the, collect this fame? Like, I'm waiting with the English word, maybe say I want to
manage.
How you they manage this fame?
Yeah.
Maybe say you don't get.
Easy.
We're still living your normal life.
Easy at all, man. Yeah, like, see for example now, because I just bob my head. I don't even walk around with.
Your dreads don't go.
I want to say, how come your dread contain that? So the dread though they almost become a part of your brand.
Yeah.
So what can make you baba?
Now part of my brand actually.
Why you cut her?
But
what happened?
It's 2 years now. It don't reach 2 years. So
it don't tire you.
Me, I want rebrand. For my even this phase of my career, rebranding.
So
for the next
local
level.
You give us right now being just shortcuts when not local.
the cuts go be upper cut, lower cut, everything.
Okay.
But me could have anticipate the new look.
So this new look they go or they sync with your new album.
Yes.
That means now waiting we need to look forward to.
You go change the color at a point. Like to blonde, to blue, to green. You just explore different colors. So.
Obviously, but this face, I know exactly what I want. Say, and the ject we say in life, usually they always get like they always quickly want to grow up. As children, like we want to grow up quickly.
Fast.
We want to get the money, we want to get everything.
Do it in our mind.
Yeah, and when we finally get older, we will kind of miss.
Some of those childhood memories.
So what happened in between? We say, necessarily even enjoy your childhood, and go even necessarily enjoy the adulthood. So humans generally, I feel say most of us they live like say we no go die, and we die like say we no even live at all. So the most important thing is to really enjoy the thing in between, in between that space. So that's what the album is about.
Okay, any collaboration there for this particular album?
Of course.
Because the last collabo you do with Ariel Star was a heavy hit.
Yeah,
Love Dog cost a dime the release, right?
Yeah.
So now he has collaboration, or it will still be outside.
This one outside definitely.
Okay. Outside with them involved.
And they look like 2-3.
2-3.
Yeah.
So but your deal with maybe still they active, right?
Of course.
See now.
Of course.
Now why you laugh?
Based on the rumor where they were Canada, why you need to?
Are you serious?
Yes, now plenty rumors.
No, it's many insinuations.
Yeah.
Now why don't they pay attention to you again? Maybe they meet up to their expectation. This and that. How Nigerians will just assume because they active online.
Yeah.
Which now why most artists, even when they don't like and they want just try post 1 or 2. I do not forget me. This and that.
So how your relationship do be with the other artists, especially with this new people where they just introduced now?
It did very, very unforced. They did very cordial because I know we say now when they blow, I know them.
Okay.
Now all of us start from academy, so I know them when they don't get money. I know them when they know. So like. Boys
you have been there from ground.
Bayani, like all of us now, the same period they sign all of us. Nobody say they sign us months, the gap of this is long.
Now the same period I pass through. Now just they introducing us differently.
Exactly. So they just introduce us at maybe the interval of 6 months or some 1 year.
So on a lighter note now, waiting with the inspiration behind your tattoos. Like, I like listening to that.
Because you don't get tattoo when they sign you.
And this tattoo,
so you're not a bad
boy. Magic is a very bad boy. I like the one in your hand.
That's
this one, I love it.
If I say person that bad boy,
that's what they talk about.
So waiting with the story behind your tattoos.
This one, Itachi. This one.
That's a cartoon character now.
Yes.
Okay.
This one.
That one.
I've been a bad boy since be that one.
Now the group where you belong to logo be that.
We need to know. Because you don't want to talk out. You know blood, the big one.
This one a compass. This one a the sun. Which is the sun must shine.
In Arabic?
Yeah.
Okay. Then the cross.
This one a God touching man. I get like other ones too, but
like how many tattoos in total right now?
Right now 8.
8.
Wow.
Okay. Anyway, you never to tell when you start.
Is it your guy?
We did like 22. We did plan to add 5 gen before
So
the
magic now, you know, I did sure say they do piercings too. So apart from the one for your nose and your ear, anywhere piercing today, your tongue.
No. So I don't know.
Very weird.
I see.
I see one person with piercing nipple. Man,
yeah.
I'm angry.
So yesterday too, I did watch one of all the reels, and I see the new trend for men right now where they got to even pierce their John Thomas.
Yes.
Like for the different style, if you put them on the down.
But I think it's something you can do because you're very crazy.
Because I want CIB.
Yeah, but I know
especially when
it's
it
something
does
this
wrong.
guy can do.
You get me? How far? Whether will it increase my effort and shake everywhere? You get me?
So apart from this nose and your ears, now you don't want to do any other more piercings.
No.
Or more go try the piercing for John Thomas together.
Men are good.
I
don't do. Anyway, so talking about women right now, because your music basically downloads for the girls. Then you get me. Your recent single, or your latest singles, Maria. Now, so Ibaguma, how you be? How Majesty they manage women? Like since you don't. How you know
it's
not easy. You don't even maintain any stable relationships with them.
No.
Since
not because of the fame. Even before the fame, like
yes.
2 years before that time, I was single.
Okay.
Yeah.
But so, that one was that's how you never get back. You know, get money that time. But now when they sign you, they maybe at this bread they come. See, so you don't get how you go this sign bread they come to you. Now say because I know I don't almost interview almost all of you now.
Yeah.
Una know they always agree say una there. So I want us now don't just say una not dates.
Say yes. Get with serious relationship.
Yeah. Oh. I think Bayan is saying thing. If all of una not agree, you get me.
Okay, so many a times, not be because say they don't want to admit say they relationship, but many people they inside situationship. They don't even know if the person with they deal with.
Deal with them.
Deal with them. Okay. Or where they see this person as long term partner. You know, some people now things don't hard. No be like when our papa and mama.
Yeah, so, love will just get straightforward.
Yeah, now
it comes with a lot of things.
And as artists, you guys be careful of the kind of person where you go allow into your space because women they very spiritual. Women are spiritual beings. You know they are highly connected to
emotions.
So you guys they know the kind people they interfere with. So even at that safe, you guys know say this one, but you know, sure, say you want to deal with her for a long time.
Okay.
You know, so you guys just know her for your mind.
So what you will say they're responsible for all these decisions? What you will say they're responsible for all these decisions? Because from your yarns right now, it be like say to find somebody when will support you and give up for you. Some people just come for your cloud self. You know, say that they call you out. It slept with me. It did not deliver.
So even if they do something with them or maybe this situationship with them, if you know go need to tell the world say this situationship.
You keep her low key.
Yes.
The fame, not because of the money, or you just genuinely like them.
It's good to be attracted to all those things, but then you can be attracted to all those things and still have some form of what do they call them now? Content, or you have a form of like substance in you.
But for you, you personally, why you never get stable relationship for the past 2 years?
Okay, so I feel say for me, I never.
Or you know this streets.
I beg now.
No, because it's not a bad thing because most people when sing the most beautiful love song, they're not this street. Sam Smith, an example.
Me, anytime where I get into that space, I always find out say they always push people away. You know, that space of say I want to focus on something. You know, I know the
which like music.
Yes. You know, for example, now where they do my album now, I don't want
any distraction.
You have not called me. You have not asked me if you have eaten.
Yeah, like because I actually don't need them.
You know, you need to be in a positive space.
Not be positive. Woman feel bring positivity.
So now I make a.
But me, if I deal with you, I deal with you. You know, I really deal with you. So I would rather not waste your time. You know, and not be able to give you the attention where you need as woman. So I no go
waste your time.
So I just tell you straight up.
That is actually
this is not a relationship.
Okay, so I think in your some other interviews where we say you don't talk about the artists where we say you won't work with. You mentioned Doja Cat, you mentioned Drake. So as big as Maven is, I see the surprise say no link up done, to make sure say this is your dream of working with either Drake or Doja Cat.
all those things now. What did I call them now? Now the work of your hand.
They go come at the time when you're ready push
exactly.
for.
So don't be say your record fee, just make it come through, make that be the link.
They actually can do it
okay.
because the world now don't small now because of the internet and access.
Yeah.
And maybe now is not be just Nigerian record label anymore and global record label. We get stick global front. So now something we one manager feeling one manager but you go rather get that feature for free than make
they can spend millions of dollars
to someone who will take you go bring $700,000 feature. Do you get me?
Okay.
So
okay, so Maria they add right now your latest single video don't they official video don't they to this song?
No.
When the video go to come outside?
Video might finna come outside for this one because everything I they come full 1st January.
Oh
yes.
So all the energy now.
All the energy they come. So now this one I prep.
Now prep just to prepare us for next year.
So yes,
so if you say that the last single when one give us this year with this.
Yes. Yes.
So that in next year we'll get to hear new work from you before the album go bust out.
Yes.
But is there a Maria or just name?
And
is there a Maria somewhere?
When I like way back.
Don't talk calm, not the star man. Wait. You're a bad boy. Very bad boy.
Sorry, we don't go kill me.
Anyway, thanks for stopping by, Jare.
Yes,
we don't just feel wait for that, but part of me don't ask just one ginger to know the name of the album. I don't know if I don't decide on that yet.
So I know go fit talk about
right now.
The explanation where I give earlier about being able to live your life. In as much as
summarize the album
title. Exactly.
Okay.
So when you hear the album title, you go remember the talk.
Okay. All right. For those who want to stream Maria right now, they
all platforms.
On all platform. And if they want to follow you on, I mean, you don't need more followers.
I need to.
You do for outside collaboration, right? I be on never collaboration.
Of course.
Like how many tickets you collect?
This last trip where I go UK, I be like with like 2 other artists.
Okay.
So but like
how many pounds?
Go talk now. That laugh.
Manager, not the laugh that kind of laugh.
You don't use the laughter.
I don't say money they come with all this. No. More than how many percent you want ask for. You know what I'm saying? Like run into 5 digits or 6.
Into 5 digits. 5 digits.
It's small now.
Okay, feature.
Now why they looking at like 5 digits?
Nah, 6.
6 around 6. Okay, 6 upward. Okay, so holla at Magics if you get 6 digits.
Oh yeah. I am _Magics, Sabi, right?
Yeah, I am _Magics.
Okay. All right.
So we sign out with the latest single right now, Maria. Go stream that song right now. Get and download that.